Hi, this is Maya. I am recording my plan with me for August 5th through the 12th. Actually, August 6th through the 12th, Monday through Sunday. Um, this is my birthday week, and it's been a long time since I posted anything, but thought I'd give it a try again, see if I can get back on a regular schedule. So what I'm doing is each day of the week is a column, and I'm using my Tombow dual brush pens to make a wash of color, and then I have one of those watercolor pens that you put the water inside the barrel. So you put water inside the barrel and you just squeeze it out through the bristles. And this part of the video got really blurry. I'm not sure why. And I'm honestly not 100% sure how the quality of this video is going to turn out because I was filming with natural light and I thought that it would be bright enough, but maybe it won't be. So we'll see. Um, if I can make sure this is good HD quality, then I'll go ahead and post it. If not, I will try again later. Anyway, um, if you have any questions about the colors I'm using, go ahead and comment down below and I'll let you know. I've been planning with a mixture of markers for color and stickers like crazy. So I have lots and lots of stickers from different Etsy shops. There's just too many to list all at once. So if you have a question about anything specific, let me know and I will answer it down below. So I'm starting off with some date covers, and those came from like a mini kit, and I can't remember who that's by. And these date dots are leftovers from a kit that I did. I'll be back in frame in a second. And I didn't write down, I've been writing down the shop on the backs of these pages lately, but I forgot to do that this time. So I don't know who made that. I can't remember. Last year I bought a whole bunch of kits, and I haven't really bought hardly any full kits this year. So I've just been going through all of my kit leftovers and using them. And so after I put my date covers down, I put a header underneath each one to kind of start off the day. That cute bow one I'm going to be replacing in a few minutes because I feel like it stands out too much. I'm trying to go for this pastel look, and that was just a little bit too bright. I know that header was from Rose Color Days. It was the silver hollow, and that one is also from Rose Color Days. So now I'm going to be going into my weekly planning, starting with Monday. Well, actually, first I'm going to go ahead and change out that header to something that matches the color scheme I'm going with a little better. Those are Strawberry Lime Designs headers. She makes beautiful headers. I love her glitter headers. They're really, really pretty. Really good colors. So starting with a half scallop, marking my aquarium shift. I volunteer there on Mondays. That's a little volunteer sticker from Once More with Love. And I realized I forgot to write down a birthday, so I'm going in with that. That looks like Planner Frenzy. And then while I'm at the aquarium, cleaning service will come to my house. And then I close off the bottom of the day with another header. I'm checking my month in the back to see if I forgot anything, and it looks like I did. I'm just making an astrological mark there. And this neat little sticker book I got from an Etsy shop, and I put all of my like all of my little freebies in there. I heard about the shop from Planned Princess, and I got two sticker books, and I used one for functionals and leftovers, and then I use one for specifically like headers, full boxes, not full boxes, half boxes and quarter boxes, because I use those all the time. So anyway, going on to Tuesday, another astrological mark, and then I'm going to be putting down a half box and a therapy sticker from Let's Make It Sparkle. I need to get more of those. I love those therapy stickers. I think that's also from Planner Frenzy, those little grills. In the summer, I hardly use my kitchen at all. I just want to grill, just want to be outside. And then a little me time sticker because I have the evening to myself. It takes me a little while to get this section. Oh, because I forgot something, so I had to like move that down. That's just a little thing. That was a reminder I need to work on. I have an art project that I'm making myself do on Tuesdays. And then to close off the day with a header, I thought it looked a little redundant, so I just went ahead and put the me time sticker and the header separately. Having a hard time getting it straight there. And then Wednesday is my laundry day. It's the day and I'm actually there, I'm putting aside the stickers I want to use that day. I love that laundry sheet. I can't remember who that's by, but it's really pretty. I think that's from Rose Colored Days. And then I can't remember what those are. Was it holographic foil? Yeah, I think so. Marking down some budgeting I need to do. Getting a little grocery sticker to mark my online shopping. And then I have some more grilling that I gotta do for potluck I'm going to that evening with my friend. I think those were Moonlight Paper Co. And the aquarium is having a volunteer potluck social, so I get to bring whoever I want to the aquarium with me and show them around back in the back. It's going to be awesome. And then I'm going to spend a little time with my friend, helping her with her bullet journal. So for Thursday, first thing I do is work out with my trainer, and that's whose birthday it was on Monday, so I need to get her a gift. Then, excuse my head. Then in the afternoon, I'm going to visit my friend Lacey, and that was from my newest addiction, and that's the hollow foil bow. And then I'd forgotten to put the litter box in on Wednesday, so I put it there instead, although I really should be changing the litter every day, or at least, cleaning it out a little bit. So that is to mark my driving because I drive for Lyft. Just started a couple of weeks ago, and I'm really enjoying it so far. So I'm trying to do that Thursdays through Sundays, unless I have like a date or a party or something, in which case I'll try to make up for it another day in the week. So Friday, I'm putting down some homework that I have to do for my therapy. And then those date night stickers are from Carolina's Crafts. And my husband's taking me out to my favorite restaurant, which I really only get to go to once a year. It's called Tarzan-e Jane, and it's really, really good, but definitely only a special occasion kind of place. I'm looking for like another sticker to put with it, but I couldn't really find one that made it look balanced. So I went ahead and moved on to Saturday and put a half box down. And there are my stickers for the day. I got some birthday stickers from Once More with Love to mark my birthday. I didn't have enough room for an exclamation point. And I put a heart and a shooting star next to it. And then I realized that there were some things I forgot to put down Friday, so I'm going back and doing those. I have a group I belong to sends out a workbook every month, and I want to print it off and do some journaling on Friday because Saturday there's a new moon, and is it a new moon? Yeah, and an eclipse. So I want to work on some astrology journaling. And that's just a note as to what's going on. And then I've forgotten my header. And then Saturday afternoon, I'm getting my hair done, and I'm actually getting colored. It's been over a year since I've had my hair colored, and I'm so excited. I can't wait. I think I'm going to try and do a dark blue. And then I'm having some close friends over for a game night for my birthday. So moving on to Sunday, husband's taking me to my favorite brunch place. It's called Tilth. And I got these cute little tray stickers, and I can't remember who that was. In the afternoon, I got a plan for next week. I might do some of that on Saturday, we'll see. And then I'll have the evening to myself. So what I want to do is get myself some crab legs because that's my favorite food. Make sure I get my favorite food around my birthday. And then a little header at the bottom from Strawberry Lime Designs. And then in this section, I put a header down for a next week to put a next week sticker on top as a little background. And I'm just making notes of the main events that are happening next week. And it's not shown here, but later on I'll go and write down a specific to-do list underneath each day. And that is my spread. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.